When you search for immersion blenders for soap making, everything looks the same features, same claims. But to find the ones that actually work without leaving you frustrated, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Tyreller Immersion Blender. The Tyreller Immersion Blender immediately caught my eye with its powerful 1100W motor and included attachments like a chopper and whisk, all for just $39.99. If you want a reliable blender that offers versatility for soap making, this is worth a serious look. Plus, with 5 containers included, you can work on multiple batches without hassle. And the variable speed trigger, it gives you control over the blending process, which is crucial when mixing delicate scents and colorants. Now, some people complain that it can struggle with very thick mixtures if used for too long. Here's the thing, though, if you're mindful of the blending time and follow the recommendations, you'll be fine. It's not a deal breaker, especially for the price and the convenience it brings. This is perfect for you if you're serious about soap making and want an affordable, powerful option. Skip this one if you only need something for light, occasional use, as you might find it overkill. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Tyreller's speed might seem a bit much for your needs, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: OVENTE Immersion Hand Blender. Next up is the OVENTE Immersion Hand Blender. Priced at just $14.99, it's a real steal. If you want a no-frills option that performs well without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The OVENTE features a 300W motor that's surprisingly strong for its size. Plus, with its adjustable speed settings, you can adjust the blending power according to the consistency of your soap mix, preventing any splatters. That's crucial when working with liquids that can get messy. However, a few users mention that it's not as powerful with very thick mixtures. But honestly, if you're not making super heavy batches, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's excellent for lighter or medium blends, and at this price, it's hard to complain. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out with soap making and want something budget-friendly. Skip this one if you plan to work with thicker formulas often, as it might not meet those needs. Overall, this is a great value option. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3: Bonson Kitchen Immersion Blender. Now let's talk about the Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender, a great pick at just $16.99. If you want an affordable yet powerful tool for all your blending needs, this is worth a serious look. With a 300W motor and 2 mixing speeds, this immersion blender can handle a variety of soap mixtures. The ergonomic design means you can hold onto it comfortably for extended periods, which is essential when you're making multiple batches. Some users did find that it has a limit on how long it can run continuously without overheating. But here's the thing, just give it breaks and you'll be fine. For the price, it's a solid performer and perfect for most small to medium-sized batches. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and easy-to-use immersion blender for soap making. Skip this one if you plan to make large batches regularly, as it might not keep up. Overall, it's great for the price. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next option is definitely worth considering. Product number 4: MasterChef Immersion Blender. Next on our list is the MasterChef Immersion Blender, which comes in at $27.99. If you want a professional-grade option for your soap making, this is worth a serious look. This blender features a powerful 400W motor that can tackle a range of tasks, from emulsifying oils to blending essential oils smoothly. Plus, the variable speed control allows you to fine-tune the blending for different soap recipes, ensuring your mixtures are perfectly emulsified without any lumps, essential for a clean finish. However, a few reviewers mentioned that the motor could get a bit noisy during use. But honestly, if you're accustomed to blending, a little noise shouldn't bother you too much, especially considering the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for a more professional-level soap-making experience. Skip this one if you're looking for a super quiet option, as this might not suit that need. For its capabilities, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're interested in something with even more features, the last product on our list might just be what you need. Product number 5, KOIOS Immersion Blender. Last but certainly not least, we have the KOIOS Immersion Blender priced at $22.99. This one really stands out with its 1000W motor and 12 speed settings, making it a fantastic choice for soap-making enthusiasts. If you want precision and power, this is worth a serious look. With 12 different speed settings and a turbo mode, you can adjust exactly how you blend, which is crucial for getting the right texture in your soap. Plus, the anti-scratch blade guard ensures that your pots stay scratch-free, which is something we all want. Some users pointed out that it's corded, which could limit mobility. But honestly, if you're working in a specific spot, it won't be an issue. The power and versatility it offers are hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're serious about soap making and want the most control over your mixing process. Skip this one if you prefer a cordless model for easier maneuverability. For the value you get, it's definitely worth considering. To wrap it up, we've covered some amazing immersion blenders today. Tyrrell for power, OVE&TE for budget, Bonson Kitchen for reliability, MasterChef for professional quality, and KOIOS for precision. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your soap making needs best.